If I tell you the reason why you've not succeeded for life, no be village people, no be your family background, no be bad luck, you go believe am? Lis ten to me carefully today, because wetin I go talk fit affect your way of reasoning forever. Na me be your street and man papa for Life Don Balance TV, Mr. Nwaneri. Calm down and relax as we begin the flow. Success no dey start from your pocket. Rather, success dey start from your mind. Many people dey blame bad economy. Things hard o, things difficult o. Many people dey blame poor family background. Many people dey blame even village people. Yes, I no disprove am say those things no dey affect or delay person life. Yes, those things fit be true, e dey delay, e dey affect person. But make I ask you this question. Why e be say some people wey even start from worst family pass your own, very poor family, from very bad environment or bad places wey be say their village even worse pass your own, even the same economic difficulties wey you dey face, dem dey face am, but amongst all those hurdles, they have succeeded in life. Yes, you dey reason am? Why your own come dey different? Yes, most at times success dey come when you say I go improve my way of life. Yes, because if you dey do the same thing repeatedly, yes, if you dey do something over and over again, dey expect different result, e no fit work for you o, e no go work at all. Yes, you must change your mindset. You must say, I will improve, I will learn new skills, I will be innovative before success go embrace you. Successful people no dey wait for perfect conditions. Dem dey learn, dem dey read, dem dey fail, and when they fail, dem go stand up again. Dem dey improve every time. Yes, ask yourself these three questions. Wetin I fit do to improve myself this week? Which bad habit wey I dey do wey I go stop today? If e be say you dey smoke excessively, if you say I go decide to stop am today, wetin I go do wey go better my life? Yes, no wait till next month, no wait till next year. Start am now, begin to implement am, because your little actions wey you dey take today fit change your life forever. Yes, the real thing be say no be where you come from matters, but the actions wey you dey take every day na im dey shape your destiny. If this message really touch you, no just look am and waka pass. I want you to reason within yourself, say, which action wey I go start today to dey implement wey go help me for life? Yes, and also do not fail to comment for comment section that thing wey you dey do wey you don see today say e dey hold you back from succeeding. Yes, e fit help person wey be say e don almost dey give up for life. Your comment go help am. Therefore, drop this thing for your comment section. Yes. Do not fail to subscribe to this channel. If you want messages and titles wey be say e go dey help you improve on your life dreams and your life goals, dey come towards or closer to your destiny, abeg dey lis ten to this my channel. E go help you shaping your life, discipline your life and structure your life. Subscribe, like and share this my page. Yes, na me be your street and guy man papa, Mr. Nwaneri. Yes, for Life Don Balance TV. Stay tuned till next time. I love you all, my fans. Have a great weekend. Bye.